Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to describe the image that you want to create on the Photoleap application, and then if you add the description of a picture that you want to create, the Photoleap application will generate that particular image based on your description. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the home button down below, and then scroll down till you find the AI creation tools section and tap on describe it. As you can see, you should provide a description of an image that you have in mind by typing it into this box. I'm going to type in a French bulldog drinking a cappuccino, and then here you have preset options such as a purple fox, a pink tree, northern lights, and so on. Here you can choose a style. These are the recommended ones such as photo, dystopia, fantasy, and so on. And if you have selected a style, tap on the generate button, and your artwork is being created with the AI. As you can see, here is the generated pictures. So a French bulldog drinking a cappuccino, that's what I had in mind, and I got it. So if you want to save this picture, tap on the save button down below. However, you have the option to edit this picture by tapping on the edit button in the upper right corner of the screen. So you can adjust it and add many filters, cut it out, add drawings to it, transform it, retouch it, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.